Guys, it's Adam with Island Outdoor LLC. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to take this old 55-gallon drum and build you an ugly drum smoker with a kit from udsparts.com. Do 3.5 inches. This is the kit from udsparts.com. I will put a link in the description. Thanks to the guys at Island Outdoor LLC. I've been working with them for a while. They sent me this kit to try out. So we got a gasket, a stainless steel grate, the fire basket with the ash pan at the bottom. So we've got 2 side mounts for handles, and then the top. And then we've even got the spring. If you've never used one of these handles before, it's nice because it keeps the heat right off of your hand. So we've got the exhaust pipe that screws right into the top of the 55-gallon. Then we got a utensil holder here you can put on the side, a bottle opener, sweet lava lock temperature gauge, then a bunch of screws and bolts for our grates and everything, and then the sweet intake tubes. I mean, those are pretty awesome just because, I mean, nobody likes to bend down just to fix the air intake. So that's the kit, guys. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description, and let's put this baby together. Alright, got all these painted up with the first coat. So we'll come back in 24 hours, hit another coat on those. Uneven surfaces, you just want to knock them down so that when it's time for paint, everything will be nice and even. So look, you can already kind of see that paint coming off that was left. Alright, so you can tell we've got the paint off now. We've knocked down that surface, everything's nice and smooth. Now we have to hit this inside. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a burnt layer in there from where that liner came off. So we got to get that thing out of there. Sprinkle that all on the inside and then just start scrubbing. Alright, so now everything's dry fitted, we're good to go on that. Kind of put them wherever you want. Alright, there you go. So that's one handle. Alright, got this one nice and plumb. Alright guys, so we got both of our holes drilled for our grate. I can't believe it, guys. I almost forgot the bottle opener. I mean, how am I gonna be cracking some cold ones while we're grilling here? There she is. Alright. Should be able to just pull the rest of it out. Nasty. As you see, we woke up early this morning and finished this top. We've got everything back to bare metal, inside and out. Alright, bada bing, bada boom, first coat done. So we'll hit that with a second coat. The next time y'all see this, will be on the grill. Man, that thing looks cool. Really cool patina surface rust. So now all we're gonna do, guys, is let this thing sit in the sun. We're gonna let it sit and bake in the sun all day long. All right, this is what it's looking like. It's been baking in the sun for about 4 or 5 hours. It's looking really good. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it with the water hose and we're gonna let it dry. Then it's time for the clear coat. All right, let's check this thing out. So we've got our lava lock thermometer and that thing works great. I actually checked it with my thermopin, so I know that thing is dialed in within 5 degrees. So in the finish, you can see the finish is staying. I've ran it already. I burned it in one time. So we got our intake pipes here. Those look awesome. Then we got our side handles here, curved mount handles. Then we got our beer opener there. We got a tool rack, actually, a stainless steel lava lock tool rack where I can hang anything I need. I will say one thing, I'm pretty impressed with that smokestack because it just threads right into that top, the existing hole that was already there for the lid. Paint job came out nice too. I used that high temp paint. High temp black, and then I did one clear. Got a sweet patina to this bad boy. It looks like a hot rod to me. Like I said, check out that I'm putting all the links down below for everything you need to build your own. Alright guys, it's finally done and this thing came out awesome. I'd like to send a big thanks out to udsparts.com for sending me this kit. I mean, I couldn't be happier. Oh baby, got us some baby back ribs on there. Testing her out.